Hi traders, welcome to the F Trader. I'm Kay and I'm going to run through the charts with you again. It's been a crazy day. There's been a lot of volume because of the Reddit trading, especially now that they've targeted silver. I'm going to go through all of that. But just before we jump into the chart, if you like this channel, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so gold's been it's had a bit of an update. This is a daily chart. Let me just move on to a 4-hour chart. We're still going in our sideways pattern, but even though the dollar index, or the dollar I should say, has been strengthening, gold's still going up. That's partially to do with the silver buying. As you guys should know, there's usually a ratio of about 85 to 1 based on silver to gold. We're currently, with the crazy price of silver, we're around the 60s. So the real question is silver going to pull back and regain that 85 to 1 ratio, or are we going to have gold move up? So I mean, it's been quite positive in the sense that we've had a up day for the USD, but the dollar's actually gone up as well. So you know, I'm hoping that we're gonna break out of this sideways pattern, break out and actually go to the upside, and hopefully we'll continue and we'll narrow that 85 to 1 ratio with silver. But despite that, we're still long, we're holding, and I'm hoping we'll break out of this sideways pattern. If I just show you guys on a Bollinger Band as well, we broke out here, and then we've come back down, and we're still kind of going this sideways pattern. We really need the bulls to come in. I've just taken one of my positions, just took a position there, one of my algo traders. Sorry about that. So yes, we are breaking out to the upside there, I'm hoping, and that run will continue. I'm just going to touch upon the USD, the cable, sorry, I should say the pound dollar. So we've had a down day with regards to the dollar strengthening. We will start playing a short-term long position with this. If it keeps touching the 20 EMA and keeps going up, I will start looking to take a long position because it's done this numerous amount of times. But we'll just have to wait and see if it pulls down, and I'll let you guys know. But we are still long and holding our position with this one as well. I'm just going to look at the Euro USD. There's been more damage done here. We have a very tight stop here. We are long. We will make a very little amount of profit if it does hit. We got very close here. It didn't. It's gone down. We'll just have to wait and see if the bulls come in and we can actually get this run off toward the upside. But I mean, if this starts breaking through, there'll be some technical damage done to the charts, as you can see, and we'll have to really start reassessing which way the Euro USD is going to go. I don't think the dollar will be strengthening going forward, but you don't know with the markets, and you just have to play it as it goes. I'm just quickly going to touch upon Bitcoin and then silver, and you guys will see what the Reddit people, and good for them actually, have done with silver. I'm just going to quickly go on a 4-hour chart of Bitcoin. We've been discussing how Bitcoin's been coming down, up, down again, and we've been forming quite a bit of a support here. I mean, this is proven here that it had a run up to the upside. I was hoping that it would test this and maybe break through. It hasn't. It's come back down. If it does start touching around the 29,000-30,000 and it starts making a little run to the upside, I will look to take a long position because this support has actually proven to be quite strong and it hasn't broken through. So you know, we can play it to the upside. But we will need it to come down, and then we need to see a little bit of a run like this. It's done here or here to the upside, or even here before we take a long position. But I will keep you guys informed. I'm just going to jump into silver really quickly, and then I'll show you the. Actually, let me show you the dollar index. So if you look at the dollar index, let me just go onto a daily chart. You can see here that it's just literally gone up. And it's broken up to the upside. I'm sorry, this chart isn't loading properly. Let me just get rid of it and try it again. Sorry, that's the DAX, isn't it? Let me find the US dollar. Here we go. Sorry about that. That was the DAX. This is the US dollar index. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically the US dollar against 6 major currencies. So it kind of gives you a broad range of the strength of the dollar. I mean, this is a daily chart, and look at the run it's had here. So it you know, and it's kind of broken out of this resistance point as well. So you know, this could have been the dollar bottoming here and actually making a run to the higher side. And if it starts doing that, then it's not very positive for gold or silver. But you know, at the moment the markets are quite crazy with the whole Reddit power of people buying, and I'm actually going to show you the silver charts as well quickly. Let me just jump into silver for you. And where is it? Here we are. So if you look at the silver chart here, and let's go on to a daily chart, you can see this amazing run that it's had in the last 3 days. It's absolutely crazy. I mean, if I go into a 4-hour chart here, you can see there's been some profit taking on the tables. But, you know, if they can hold the price here and, you know, force the hedge funds to close their short positions, that will just add to the buying. And, you know, we could see a real good run to the upside. But it's, you know, you can just see the amount of buying that's come in. And what beautiful you know, bull flags you can see. It's like up, another bull flag, and this could potentially be another bull flag and a run up to the higher end. So you know, I'll keep a close eye on everything, and I'll give you guys another briefing tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching.